Hey, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, and today we're going to take a look at LeadCart's lifetime deal pricing. So LeadCart is doing an LTD, a lifetime deal right now, and LeadCart is basically a shopping cart slash funnel builder software such as ThriveCart. It can do upsells, it can do downsells, it integrates with a bunch of different stuff, and I'm pretty impressed by it. It seems quite powerful, even though it's a fairly new product, and it is quite inexpensive, to be honest, by comparison to things like ThriveCart and SamCart that exist in the same kind of area. So I just want to say, if you want to check out this page that I'm on right now, if you want to check out the LeadCart lifetime deal pricing and potentially buy it, then you can use my link in the description. And there's going to be another link that will go to a landing page where you can sign up for my LeadCart email list. I'm doing a LeadCart email list where I will email you new information that comes out about LeadCart. I'll email you new training videos related to LeadCart, and I will keep you updated on everything related to the platform because it's a really interesting, new and developing platform, and I want to keep kind of my head wrapped around what's going on there. So if you'd like me to keep you up to date as well, then just sign up for my email list at that link. And if you want to check out LeadCart, then for sure, please use my affiliate link to do so. Anyways, if you click on my affiliate link, it will take you to this page, and you can watch this video, get a little bit more information about LeadCart. And then if you come down here, it says lifetime access offer starting at $59 one time. So that's $59 US for a lifetime deal. I'm just going to click on this and it'll scroll me down to the other plans here. And then if I click on any of these, yes, I want this lifetime deal buttons. If I click on any of those, it'll take me to the checkout page, which looks like this. And this is kind of what a LeadCart checkout page looks like. They're pretty nice, pretty high converting. And it has all the features listed here of the different tiers. And I just want to talk about the pricing. So if we come down here, as you can see, the Pro plan, the lifetime deal which is so basically the least expensive one, starts at $59 one time for life. Then the next step up is the premium lifetime deal, which is $129. After that, you have an agency plan with 10 credits, and we'll talk a bit about what credits are in just a moment. That's $249. Agency plan with 20 credits is $379. Agency plan with 50 credits is $629. And agency plan with 100 credits is $999. So I purchased the agency plan with 10 credits. And the reason I did that is because basically you get everything that comes in the Pro plan and the Premium plan, but then you also get 10 credits, and credits are basically extra accounts. So with LeadCart, you get a LeadCart subdomain. So you get like something.leadcart.io as your subdomain, and that's where you can put all of your carts and your products and everything. And you can also set up a CNAME with a custom domain if you want, but you get the subdomain that you can use, and that's probably what I'm going to use. And so with, for example, with ThriveCart and other most other carts like this, you only get one subdomain. But with this account, if you get the agency account, with LeadCart, if you get the agency account, then you can get credits so that you can have up to 100 or possibly even more sub accounts or brand accounts. And so a brand account would be like, I can have a separate business within my own account that has its own subdomain, and a sub account is like a completely separate account that I can give to a client or a friend, or like rent to somebody, sell to somebody, that kind of thing. So it's a pretty cool setup that they have. I'll be honest, the credits are part of what lured me into getting it at all. And it's a very affordable price, especially when you compare it to $600 for ThriveCart. GrooveFunnels was $1,400. So it's a very, very affordable lifetime deal, which you can immediately turn around and start using to make money. Anyways, that is Leadcart lifetime deal pricing in a nutshell. If you have any questions about Leadcart or any requests for future videos or tutorials about it, leave me a comment, let me know. I'd be happy to support you that way, and I will catch you in the next video.